How to leave a Discord server. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a quick but super helpful topic: how to leave a Discord server. Whether you are cleaning up your server list, leaving inactive groups, or just stepping away, I'll show you how to do it in few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your Discord app, but make sure that you are logged in with your device. Once you are logged in, you will see the list of servers on the left hand side of the screen. Tap on the server icon for the server you want to leave, and this will open the server channel and conversation. Again, tap on server name and you will be able to access the server option. From there, you can simply scroll down and tap on leave server. Again, tap on yes to confirm. And just like that, you are out of the server. It will disappear from your server list immediately. And that's it. Leaving a server on mobile is that simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.